Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to share with you my homemade pancake recipe. The recipe is fairly easy. It's a list of the dry ingredients that you see here, and when you're mixing it together to prepare it to cook, you can use a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of the dry ingredients to 1 cup of milk, water, or even if you like the buttermilk flavor, you can add that. I like to also add just a little bit of vanilla extract for flavoring, but it's totally up to you. You can also adjust the amount of sugar that you add to this recipe, and salt. So it's a very easy and very forgiving recipe. I mean, you really can't go wrong. It's so convenient. You don't have to worry about adding eggs to it or anything like that. You could take it camping with you. I mean, I make it in bulk so that it's just ready to go. So let's go over the recipe. I use 12 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of dried powder milk. Now, if you like the buttermilk flavor, you can use dried buttermilk. They sell that in a little container. But I like to add that when I'm actually gonna make the pancakes. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And when I'm actually mixing the pancake batter, that's when I add the extract, okay? And it's just like any other pancake mixture, It's really easy, very delicious. You can add your blueberries in there when you're making your pancakes. It's just like any other pancake mix. I no longer buy Bisquick or Aunt Jemima because I use my homemade pancake recipe. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Give this recipe a try. I'm going to show you what they look like when I'm baking them or cooking them. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like it on the thicker side, and you could see it's a really nice pancake mix. So I like to taste it a little bit before I actually start grilling them out. That vanilla is delicious. Okay, so here we go. So I have my setting between medium low and a medium high. And yes, real grade A butter, guys. It has to be. I mean, yeah. Has to be real butter. The measurements that I use for my pancakes here at home are the 1/3 measurement. So just gonna show you. See how thick that is? And just kind of, it's so thick. I like it like that. But if you like your pancakes a little thinner, I mean, you could adjust this to however you want. Add more milk to it or water, okay? And let it do its thing. Now you see how the bubbles are starting to cook right through the dough there. I like to let it go just a little bit. Now the first pancake is always a little bit tricky because the temperature is just adjusting, so it might be a little bit cooked, burnt. So just watch it carefully. Let me see if I can do this. I want to get more bubbles over here on this edge, but I think we can flip just about now. And you only need to flip them once, so you want to be able to make sure that that other side is almost completely cooked. We're gonna see if I can do this with one hand. Ready? Come on. Got it. Awesome. So you just let the other side cook, okay? Now it could have gone a little bit more golden, but for video purposes. And don't do this, guys. Don't eat the crispy parts. Because that's what I do. All the crispy edges are missing because that's the chef's right, okay? But it tastes wonderful. The pancake mix batter recipe is easy. It's economical, you know, and you can make this anytime. So, alrighty, well, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy, take care, be safe, and peace, love, and light, everyone.